Okay, hello guys. We have some big box to open today. I know you're getting used to some other things like power pads and everything else, but today we have a little bit bigger box. Black big box. Two box to be precise. One big black and one smaller. Let's start with the smaller one. Smaller one is a seat for Inmotion V13 Challenger unicycle. It's small box. It's coming with a big one and it's seat for it. It's really great seat for Inmotion Challenger. You have place to put handle and some velcro, two-side velcro that you can stick on your wheel so you can remove it. That's really nice. That's interesting. But that's a small box that we will see later. Now we are focusing on a big box and to open a big boy. See what do we got. Is it just a box or we have something inside? Let's remove this and open it. Should we see what's inside? I think we should, but this looks heavy. Whoa. Is the pile of bricks inside or Inmotion V13 Challenger? Whoa. Guys, we have Inmotion V13 Challenger here. Whoa. This is a really big and heavy box and is falling off. Opa. Yeah, we have something big here today to unbox and to open. This is working. This one handle operation, yeah. Oh. Guys, I never think that we will go this far, that we will open something bigger than the power pads. But yes, we do. Now we are just opening the Inmotion V13 Challenger. Wow. This looks really awesome. Build quality looks superb. I don't know how to say different. This really look superb. We're going to focus on the Challenger or the things that come with it. Let's focus for a bit on the Challenger. Inmotion V13. Big wheel. See how big it is. It's not that heavy. After the Monster Pro, this is small. Almost small wheel. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Here in the box, we have stock power pads that I probably never use because you can try this without power pads, but the stock one is not that good. Maybe for beginners that never try anything better, but for some experienced rider you need really good powerful power pads. Yeah. Stand still. Let's see what else do we have here. Okay. Oh. Like, do we have an option for conversion to non-suspension wheel? Maybe. What else do we have here? It's a big box full of goodies. Some other things, maybe also. Oh, let's see. Up here, Inmotion Challenger. User manual. Some box with the goodies. That's tools that you can use. You'll see it up close. Also, the charger. It's a stock one. 5 amps charger in the box. It's not that heavy. I think that the Begode one from the Monster Pro is bigger, but also smaller. We have something else here? I think no. So maybe we can, it's the power pads. We can remove them. Maybe we'll leave it here because we never use it. So, Motion Challenger, charger. I think this is the conversion kit. Some other goodies, metal stuff, and user manual. We probably never read a user manual, but it's okay to be here. Conversion kit is something that I probably never use because I don't want to ride without suspension. Here in the box with the goodies, I have a wrench for suspension part and also a lot of different small wrenches. And I know we have some, maybe we have some additional, I don't know, different screws, spare screws, part for dampening, suspension adjustment and dampening adjustment. Yeah, interesting stuff. Also, we have a pump. Everybody say it's a great pump, but we will see. I don't know if it has something like Begode one have high pressure and high volume options. So the high pressure is for suspension, high volume is for tire. But okay, we will try it. And now, okay. The charger, it's nothing special. The seat is here. You saw it already. We will mount it shortly. But let's now try to start the wheel to see if it's working. Ooh. He's not. Please activate your vehicle. He's not balancing. He's trying to. Activate your vehicle. Yeah. I will activate your vehicle. Please activate your vehicle. Please activate your vehicle. Okay. We are connected now. Please activate your vehicle. We are activating. And we have a working version of Inmotion V13 Challenger. Set the password. Okay, and we are in. See, he's trying to update firmware, and battery is at 37%. Inmotion V13 Challenger. So, whoa, and if you see, but it's zero everywhere. New, only 37% of battery, but it's okay. So let's see if light is working. Yeah, flashing, working. Let's see the. Okay, so it's interesting that first from the box, when you activate the vehicle, he's not asking you to exit the transportation mode. I don't know why. Speed limit is low. Okay. Balancing angle. You must update the firmware. We'll do it later. Must charge battery for a little bit. It's on 37% battery, but now we have functional and working Inmotion V13 Challenger. So this is the unboxing part and the first impression of really good building quality. It's really great. I'm so impressed. I already ride a Master Pro, and that's a big wheel, and this is some kind of, somehow it's slimmer. I don't know, we'll see. Must try everything. We must pump up the suspension and then try some first miles, kilometers on it. Okay, we pumped up the suspension and let's see how does it feel. Let's start it. Interesting. The pedal height is, I think, in medium position. No, it's all the way down. Great. Pedal height is all the way down, so that's great. I don't need to change it. I know some people have it in middle on up or upper position, but great is, wow. Inmotion Challenger. The display is great. It's working, giving you all the information about the wheel and everything else. I like, first impression, the build quality is awesome. Really, it's nothing in compared to anything else, like Begode, Kingsong, even the Sherman. It's nothing in compare with. It's great. So this is still, I think, the older version of foot plates, because I think the new one has only some bumps. This, as I may see, is some screws that you can change probably. I tried them already. They have a nice grip. This rubber part is really, it's almost motorcycle rubber. Really, I love the feel. Everybody say that it's not, you don't have any problem with. So let's fit it right. Okay, The handlebars are perfect. So let's see that we have a charge port here. 2 charge port. Up. Yeah, you see? I press the kill button with this. Interesting. You can press. I have 2 charge port, USB-A and USB-C port, and when you do this, you kill the motor off. I don't know if you say, but when you press it somehow, you engage the kill switch. That's interesting. Everybody say the tire is so beefy and good. Or also the rim is so beefy. And this headlight, really, really nice. Somebody even say that the headlight have some auto adjustment, but I must try it. I see in some groups that some people say that it have some auto adjustment, but I must try it. I don't believe it have it. And the build quality, it's great. I don't know what the suspension settings are, but currently for my weight it's 200 psi. It looks promising. You know, it's a little bit bouncier, I think, for my weight, but I changed. Foot plates are not bad. I was thinking that they are not that great, but they are really nice feeling with the grip. So maybe they changed something, but they're not so small, they're big and have really good grip. But this is something you won't ever try to ride without power pads, because this part you cannot squeeze it good because it's plastic. So everything is slippery. For this kind of machine you need really good power pads. I will see what will I use. I'll try a different one, but yeah, I need power pads to be 100% sure familiar with this machine, but I really like the feel. It's not tall and it's not wide. Somebody say it's tall. It's not tall for my leg and my height. It's absolutely perfect. And the IP rating is something that I love. So we got a lot of rainy days. This will be the perfect for that kind of situation. Okay guys, that's the unboxing. First impression, great quality, great build. But we must try to add some Velcro on it, add some good power pads on it, and then just ride and give you a ride review and long-term review after it. This will be one of my daily driver. I ride only big wheels. Now I have like 3 22-inch wheels, so I like it big. That's really great, really interesting. Plates are not staying. As I see, they are moving, so need to check that. But that's the Inmotion Challenger, guys. Interesting device. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon.